So here you have it, my chicken foot sauce. I can't wait to eat it. Hey guys, so right now I am about to share with you a chicken foot sauce recipe. So right now I'm just taking the nails off of the chicken feet. Those are the hard things, I call them nails, so it is nails to me. So the toenails, I'm taking it off right now, and I also cut the middle. It's just a habit that I have. Sometimes the chicken feet has like this little hard kind of thing in the middle there, so I usually just cut it off. That's optional. If you don't have that hard thing in the middle, I don't even have it on these, but it's just a habit that I form, so that's optional. So you're just gonna take those toes off of the nails off of each chicken foot. Once that is done, I am washing it in lemon, and I washed it twice to make sure it's nice and clean. I usually wash all of my meats and fish and stuff like that with lemon. It's just something that I do, you know, I grew up doing. So once that is nice and clean, you're gonna fill the pot up with some water, because we are about to boil this. This has to boil and soften before we make the sauce. So once I fill that up with the water, I'm going to go in with some Himalayan pink salt. You could use any type of salt that you're used to using, and that's just what I use, but you can use whatever salt that you have at hand. At this point, I'm going to put this on the stove to boil. So now I have some hot pepper, shadabani, and garlic. I'm going to blend that up to put into my sauce. So now that this is done boiling, it will be nice and soft. You will see like the skin kind of falling off the bone. You rinse this 3 times. I rinse it 3 times to get that fat and all that, you know, grease out of it. And then I'm going to put it in a bowl and add some cold water. Now I have about 3 cups. This is 2 cups, and I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. So it all depends on how much chicken wings you have in there. Chicken feet, sorry. How much chicken feet you have in there. I have about 2 pounds, so you can put the water, you know, just make sure it's covering the feet, so that, you know, everything gets marinated really good. So now we're gonna start seasoning up the water. I'm gonna add in some pink Himalayan salt, and the salt is the taste, so you have to taste as you go. Now the chicken feet are already cooked, so it's okay for you to taste as you go. I will taste and adjust as I go, so you know, everyone's salt tolerance is different, so you have to taste. Put a little at a time first. Don't put too much, don't be too generous, because you know you can always add more salt, you can't take away. So I'm gonna add in some onions. This sauce has like some of my favorite ingredients. I love onions, I love lemons, I love limes, I love cucumbers. So I added in some black pepper, and I love pepper, but not black pepper. I love hot pepper, so you know I have that hot pepper in that shadabani mixture, so that's gonna be so good. So right now just adding in that mixture of the shadabani, garlic, and the hot pepper. This is also at your own liking, so if you like a lot of shadabani like me, you could add more or you could take away. It's all up to you. So just keep tasting as I am doing right now and adjust as you go. Once you get your acquired taste, it will be ready. So now I'm gonna add in my lemon and lime juice. I added a little lime juice and also lemon. You can use either lemon or lime or both, as I did. It's all up to you. I like a lot of lemon, so this is another thing that you have to taste as you go. If you like that acidity, I like the acidity that lemon brings, and lime, so I add a little more of this, and it tastes good. I think it tastes good with it, so it's all up to you and your liking. I'm just gonna get all that juice out of the lemons. As I said, you can use lemon or lime. I use lemon because that's what I had, and I had a little bit of lime, so I used that also, but you can use that also. So once that is all mixed in, I'm going to taste, make sure my salt and everything is good, and then I'm going to add in my last ingredient, which is some sliced up cucumbers. Now this is also a very important ingredient in sauce. This is what makes sauce, so you have to put that in there. This is another thing that I love cucumbers, so I put a lot of that in there. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to chill because I like my sauce cold. You could eat this right away, but that is just my preference. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here's my finished sauce. It smells so good. All the seasonings and everything, the garlic, the shadow bunny, everything, you just smell it, the lemon. I really hope that you try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.